some moths in.
Yeah!
Strong caps to right, Gekko, shield! Owl wing win!
So long, Romeo!
Nice work, team. Gee, I kind of messed up back there.
What do you mean? When?
When I lost my grip on that wall and Owlette had to rescue me.
That's okay. We all need help sometimes.
But next time I won't mess up. I promise.
Ooh, Luna has secret weapon.
Huh? What secret weapon?
That! Me bad screechy noise. Everyone run away.
For your information, it's a moon whistle. And if you and the Moths can't appreciate good music, maybe you should annoy someone else.
Eep! Music terrible. Motsuki not like. No one like. Everyone wants star. Motsuki plan.
And the answer to question 10 is...
Jupiter!
Not quite. Sorry, Greg. It's Mars. Okay, kids, back to your books. Beyond our galaxy, we have the Kuiper Belt, recently photographed by our furthest space probe.
Huh?
It's a letter to the PJ Masks. It says Luna Girl's planning something big tonight.
PJ Masks, we're on our way! Into the night to save the day!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Amaya becomes...
Owlette!
Greg becomes... Connor becomes...
Catboy!
The PJ Masks!
Any clues from the note, PJ Robot? Use the scanner.
It's Luna Girl playing a whistle? That's not so bad.
I don't know. What if it's some kind of trap? I don't want to let you guys down again.
Come on, you'll be fine. It's just a whistle.
Then maybe we all don't need to go. I'll stay here with PJ Robot and watch out for trouble.
Okay, if you're sure.
PJ Masks leave HQ? But where, little greeny one? Pizza for the PJ Masks!
What?
Hello, Gekko.
Nice try, Motsuki. Sorry, but you can't come in.
Motsuki just won't play.
Maybe some other time?
Okay. Here, have pizza. Cheese and tomato with extra mods!
Hey! Whoa!
Gekko, what's that banging?
Oh, just fixing a problem with the door. Everything's fine.
Mission update, we're approaching Luna now.
Okay, Luna, what's going on?
What do you mean? Nothing's going on. Then how come we got this?
I don't know.
Unless... Motsuki! Motsuki?
It's a trick, Bird Brain, to lure you away from your precious HQ. Wait, you haven't heard my moon whistle.
Sorry, can't stick around.
Oh, yeah?
Hey!
you'll have to unfreeze us first. Oh! Thank you. You're too kind. Hey!
Bye! See you later!
Useless! I quit!
Hello, Gekko? Are you there?
Owlette, everything's fine.
You haven't accidentally let Motsuki in, have you, Gekko?
Sorry, you're breaking up.
Gekko! Gekko!
That's it, Motsuki. Time to go.
Hi.
Gasping Gekko!
Hit it.
What's happening? What's going on? Nothing works because HQ's bugged? Oh, great.
Motsuki's sorry. Motsuki, try and fix HQ.
Okay.
Yay! We fly to moon!
What? No!
Motsuki, plan worked! Fly to moon! Turn HQ into Moth Moon HQ! Uh-oh!
Wow! Super lizard grip! Motsuki! Hey! Ugh! You won't get away with this. Catboy and Owlette will be back soon.
No, they're not.
The cat car! It's bugged too! Catboy, Owlette, can you hear me?
Motsuki's taking over HQ! It's my fault! I let her in!
I should have just told you the truth. Wow!
Hey! Why Rocket not working?
Because your moths have bugged the system.
Moths?
Whoa! Phew. Where's HQ? Hey! Hang on a second. Can't you fly? Yeah! Oof! Gekko! Motsuki's taking HQ. Sorry, guys. My bad. Again.
We all make mistakes. It's when you try to cover them up that's a problem.
If you told us, we could have helped you.
Really? Weren't you busy listening to my beautiful moon whistle? I'm kidding. No one likes my music. Motsuki, the Moths, no one. So I threw that moon whistle away. See ya!
She was really bad at it, wasn't she?
Kinda.
Then maybe you can help me. Let's find that whistle.
Super Cat Speed!
There it is! Gekko!
Soon, Motsuki have own Moth HQ on Moon! Where? Luna, secret weapon music!
It's working! Look! I sure wish I told you guys before.
That's okay, Gekko. You played the right tune in the end.
Hey! My moon whistle! Give it back!
Oh, I thought you threw it away.
Yeah, well, we all make mistakes.
Oh, and I thought my playing was bad.
PJ Masks, so shout hooray! 'Cause in the night, we save the day! Commander Meow!
Hey! Whoa! Ah! Oh! Stop! 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 Whoa! Stop it, Fortress! My magnet!
Fortress, try get Motsuki. Sister, help. Call PJ Masks.
The PJ Masks? No way!
But Motsuki scared. Please. Pretty. Please.
Ugh, all right, you win, but I'm not happy.
Connor! Earth to Connor! Come in, Connor!
Oops, sorry. It's this new game, Whiskers and Wormholes. It's about a cat space explorer. He reminds me of me.
A cat space explorer? What about a lizard space explorer?
Maybe, but not in this game. I've learned a ton about space playing this.
We all know about space, Connor. We've flown HQ to the moon like a zillion times.
Okay. You guys are great in space too. But next time we go there, I'm gonna make some awesome cat explorer discoveries. You'll see.
It's from Luna Girl. Something's wrong with the Luna Fortress. Calling the PJ Masks. Come fast.
That's in space. This is my chance. All right, PJ Masks, we're on our way. Into the night to save the day.
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Amaya becomes
Owlette.
Greg becomes Connor becomes
Catboy.
The PJ Masks!
Commander Meow reporting for duty. Time to explore a planet far away.
It's okay, PJ Robot. It's a game he's been playing.
There's an emergency on the moon, and we need to get there fast.
Cat crew, prepare for takeoff.
If the Luna Fortress is acting up, we better be careful.
Yeah, that sounds super scary.
Awesome! Asteroids in the distance.
Whoa!
Did you know asteroids are actually mini planets? I learned that in my game.
Catboy, eyes on the mission.
Maybe one day they'll make a game about me.
The Luna Fortress is going crazy! Where are you?
We're on our way, ma'am.
What?
Motsuki is so scared.
Hey! Help! Motsuki! It took her! You've got to come now!
What's the fortress doing?
I'm not sure, but this could be my next big discovery.
Where have you been? My fortress threw me out and I can't find Motsuki. She's
paralyzed or something.
Never fear, Commander Meow is here. Let's see how it deals with lunar super cat speed. Catboy, wait! Woohoo! Yeah!
It looks really mad.
And the question is, why?
Look out! Oh! Must be some kind of bad space energy. I need to get in there and discover where it's coming from.
Shouldn't we stick together in that, good old PJ way?
Maybe we stay back, think of a plan, and...
You'll be safe with me. Whoa!
So much for a plan.
Commander Meow fearlessly speeds to the fortress, a whisker closer to unlocking the universe's secrets.
Over here, Luna!
I'm getting fortressized! Don't worry, I'll save you!
Super Gekko! Whoa! Fortressized!
Gekko! Catboy!
Whoa! Ah! Whoa! By my cat's whiskers! This is one space mystery.
What if it gets us too? Let's go back to HQ and think first.
Explorers don't think, they do. I think... Cover me!
Huh?
Yeah!
Fluttering feathers!
Whoa! Super cat speed! Super cat jump! Huh? Ah! Owlette! How dare you bubble my friend!
Catboy! Get us out!
I'm Commander Meow and...
Whoa!
No! Come back!
Help!
Whoa! Huh? The cat explorer, whoa! Runs at, hey! The speed of, a spinning planet! Okay, yikes! You win! Who am I kidding? I'm no cat space explorer. I'm just Catboy, and I let my PJ team down. Time to be a hero and figure out how to rescue them. Whoa! Ah! Whoa! Whoa! PJ Robot! The fortress has taken everyone. I just don't get why it's doing this. Come on! What is it?
Fortress Motsuki's! Just Motsuki's!
Ahem, Motsuki?
No cats allowed! Get out!
PJ Robot! Ugh. This ends now.
Fortress Motsuki's! Fortress love only Motsuki!
What are you doing?
Motsuki find crystal. It make Fortress do what Motsuki want.
Huh?
Motsuki just give it bad thoughts. Fortress take Luna and PJ's prisoner. Fortress mine forever.
No way. I won't let my team down. Not again.
No!
Whoa!
Keep away from Special Crystal. It mine.
This was all a trick. You pretended the fortress took you. You won't get away with it.
Will too.
Whoa! I may have gotten my team into trouble, but I'm getting them out of it now. Huh? What's it doing?
Crystal naughty, silly cat.
You're giving it bad thoughts. But it's picking up my thoughts, too.
No, only naughty Mothy thoughts.
Catboy heads for the mysterious crystal, powering it with his thoughts. Good hero thoughts of saving his team. No matter what. Hero thoughts. A hero always helps.
Mothy thoughts.
Hero thoughts. Heroes are kind and listen to their friends. A hero is part of a team. Let's go get the others.
What happened?
Catboy! PJ Robot! Where were you? We were just coming to look.
We don't know, but we didn't see Motsuki.
Motsuki pretended the fortress took her and was making it bad with this. But you're safe now.
That's one naughty moth.
And one awesome cat explorer who saved us.
It wasn't about being a cat explorer. It was about being a PJ Mask. I kind of forgot about that.
We'll forgive you. Right, Gekko?
Okay.
Fortress bad, silly cat.
Aw, little sis. You must be tired after all that mischief. Come on, I'll tell you a nice bedtime story about a naughty moth whose plan was ruined by the pesky PJ Masks.
No, no, no! Yucky story!
Hey, come back, you! I was trying to tell you a story!
PJ Masks, I'll shout hooray!
'Cause in the night, we save the day!